Hello guys, in this video we'll learn to deploy our Dioxus web application on Cloudflare. In the recent videos we have covered deploying our Rust or Dioxus web application on different platforms like AWS, Vercel. Today we are looking at Cloudflare. So Cloudflare, a global network that enhances website security, performance and reliability by acting as a CDN, reverse proxy and DNS provider. So without further ado, let's begin and let's dive into it and deploy our Dioxus web application on Cloudflare. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comments or you can join me on my Discord, link in description. We'll be using this pretty basic Dioxus web application because the purpose and the focus of this video is towards deployment on Cloudflare, and the deployment strategy or the method remains the same regardless of how cool your application looks. So we'll be using this pretty basic Hello World application, and you can use any other application that you have built on Dioxus and you want to deploy on Cloudflare. So we just need a terminal to build it. So let's bundle our application. So in the terminal, you can just use Dioxus CLI to build or bundle our project. We can use DX bundle and platform as web, which we have been using in the previous videos as well. So today, for a change, we can just use DX build and release. And let's wait for the build. And here you go. Once our project has successfully built, so once our build is succeed, we can just take a look at the directory. So move to target and then move to DX and then move to DX cloud and then move to release, move to web. And there we have public folder. This is something that we'll be using. So now let's move to any of your favorite browser. In your favorite browser, search for cloudflare.com and do a sign up. You would only need an email and password, or you can also connect with your Gmail to easily sign up. You don't need any credit card or payment options, at least as of today, 2025. You don't need anything. And once you are signed up, your dashboard should look something like this. Then just scroll all the way down and here you get an option of build apps on our developer platform. So press start building. Now we have four options here: build an application, store files, upload images, stream a video. These three options will not check for today, but in a future video we will cover them, each of them in detail. But today we are more interested in build an application. So just press here, and once you're here, you get the options of workers or pages. Now what is worker? Again, we'll learn in a different video. Let's go to the pages today. And in the pages, you can just search for, in the pages, you get the option to create by importing a Git repo. So you can just connect your Git repo or you can upload directly your files. So we'll just follow this option and upload our assets. So just press upload assets. And here you have to provide a project name. So let's say I'll just provide the project name as dummy and then just press create project. And here we can just drag and drop or select from our computer. So everything under the public directory, which we just seen, we have to upload. So let's wait for our files to get uploaded, assets and index.html. Once it's uploaded, we'll just press deploy site. Now it may take somewhere in middle 2 to 5 minutes depending on which part of the world you are in and the region. So just wait for a bit, and after around 2 to 5 minutes, just hit the URL you get in your browser and you'll get your website. As you can see, I get my Hello World website up and running. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys learned and understand something new. In the future videos, we'll also be deploying the full stack Dioxus applications. So make sure you are subscribed and stay tuned for the next videos. Until then, bye-bye.